lift? The wings, right? What's going to be the drag on our airplane? It's going to be the paper, right?
Yeah.
Paper clip, everything about this has got drag, right? Now, let me get one quick tip. These are really light. So you have to figure out how much thrust you need. Because if you have too much thrust, you're going to create too much lift, and your airplane's going to go up and come right back down. Okay? See, too much thrust and went back up. Okay? Alright, here goes mine. I hope it flies better this time. Oh, see, a little bit better. 2, 3, go!